Did you know that studies show only 56% of parents feel confident in their ability to raise responsible teenagers? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the challenges of parenting teens? Stick around because today we're diving into some valuable tips on how to raise responsible teens successfully. Raising responsible teens is crucial for their future success and overall well-being. As parents, our role in shaping their sense of responsibility can have a significant impact on their growth and development. So let's explore how we can navigate this important aspect of parenting together. One of the most common challenges parents face is motivating their teens to take on responsibilities and avoid defiance. It can be tough to strike a balance between guiding them and giving them space to learn from their mistakes. Many parents struggle with setting clear expectations and consequences, leading to a lack of accountability in their teens. To help your teens become more responsible, it's essential to set clear expectations and boundaries. Start by sitting down with your teen and discussing what responsibility means and why it's important. Be specific about what you expect in terms of household chores, schoolwork, and personal behavior. For example, you might agree that your teen will do the dishes after dinner 3 times a week, complete their homework before playing video games, and respect the 10 p.m. curfew on school nights. Clear expectations help eliminate confusion and set a standard for accountability. Communicate openly with them about the importance of taking responsibility for their actions and decisions. Have regular check-ins to discuss how they're managing their responsibilities and provide constructive feedback. Encourage them to participate in household chores, manage their time effectively, and prioritize their commitments. For instance, you can teach them to create a daily schedule that includes time for schoolwork, chores, extracurricular activities, and leisure. By teaching them these skills, you're equipping them for success in the future. These conversations can also help them understand the consequences of their actions and the value of contributing to the family. Additionally, establish consequences for both positive and negative behaviors. When your teen demonstrates responsible behavior, acknowledge it with praise and sometimes tangible rewards like extra screen time, a favorite treat, or a later curfew on the weekends. This positive reinforcement helps them see the benefits of being responsible and motivates them to continue. On the other hand, when they fail to meet their responsibilities, address it with appropriate consequences. This could mean losing privileges like screen time, grounding for a certain period, or taking on additional chores. Consistency is key in reinforcing these expectations and helping your teens understand the importance of accountability. Ensure that the consequences are fair and directly related to the behavior. For example, if your teen misses their curfew, they might lose the privilege of going out the following weekend. Remember, the goal is not to punish, but to teach. Use these moments as opportunities to discuss what went wrong and how they can make better choices in the future. This approach helps build their decision-making skills and reinforces the importance of being responsible. Fostering responsibility in teens is a fundamental aspect of parenting. By setting clear expectations, providing guidance, and offering support, parents can empower their teens to thrive and succeed in various aspects of their lives. Remember, the lessons you teach them today will shape their future tomorrow. How do you approach parenting responsible teens? Don't forget to check out our other videos on parenting and family dynamics for more tips and insights by subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.